Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Binance account in Australia. Binance is the most trusted crypto exchange in the world. To create an Binance account, first of all, download the Binance app from Play Store or App Store. After opening the Binance app, click on the second option. After that, allow some permission. Welcome to Binance. Enter your email ID here and click on Next. Then a 6-digit verification code will come on your email. Enter that code here. After that, you will have to set a strong 8-character password, which should contain one uppercase letter and one number. After entering the password, click on Next. Welcome aboard. You must enter a special referral code. Otherwise, you will miss out on many benefits. Click on Yes and enter the code. 𝗓4𝗪𝐶𝗍𝐞8. By entering the referral code, you will receive a $100 welcome bonus and up to 45% discount on trading fees. This will benefit you when trading. Now click on Next. Let's get you verified. We will complete the account verification process later. Now tap here and click on Verify Later. Friends, you will immediately receive a 20 USDT reward after completing account verification. To claim all these rewards, click on the Binance icon. Click on More Service. Then go to Rewards Hub. There are 3 tasks active in your account. On completing account verification, you will get 20 USDT reward. On depositing 10 USD for the first time, you will get 30 USDT reward, and on trading 10 USD, you will get 50 USDT reward. You have to complete all these tasks within 14 days of opening the account. There are also many reward tasks available here that you can complete later. Friends, you can pay only trading fee from this USDT voucher. When you trade on Binance, you will have to pay fees. Initially, you can pay the fees from this USDT voucher. Later, when you pay the fees, you will get 20% cashback for using our referral code. If you use BNB coin, you will additionally get 25% discount. This means you will get up to 45% discount on lifetime trading fees. Friends, now you can verify your account with your national identity card, passport, or driver's license. I have created a dedicated video on the Binance KYC verification. I will provide the YouTube video link in this video description. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more update.